I grew up in Belvedere, Illinois. It's kind of a farm and factory town. I went to undergrad in DeKalb, so I chose to move to Chicago to get a different experience and see what it was like living in a big city, and I kind of fell in love with it. I had to overcome a stutter and a stammer from an early age. I couldn't get a word out at first, and through some speech therapy and learning to talk a little bit slower, it's all but gone. Growing up, I was definitely kind of afraid to talk in class, primarily because of the speech impediment. And just over time and via practice, you kind of get addicted to the rush of public speaking. And it's supposed to be like this big, scary thing that everyone's more afraid of than death. But once you kind of get over the fact that people are going to hear you, it's kind of fun. A work injury can impact clients in many different ways, but oftentimes it's their first time getting any kind of injury. I think it's really helpful for them to have someone giving them advice and leading them in the right direction. And that's one of my favorite parts of practicing workers' comp law, is guiding people, especially first-timers, through the system. Success for my clients is getting to what we call maximum medical improvement. Our goal is always to place the client's health first, and we want them to get all the medical care that they need paid for by the employer so that they can get back to as normal a life as possible. My promise to my clients is that I will do the best that I can for them. My goal is always to guide them through the difficult time of having a work injury so that they can come out on the other side in the same or in a better shape than they were before.